Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the display controls. This is where size changes live. On Windows, press Win+I and choose Display, and on macOS go to Apple menu right arrow system settings right arrow displays. Once there, look at scale or resolution to see current values. This matters because lowering scale makes text smaller while higher resolution increases screen density. Now select or click the scale drop-down or resolution options so you can pick a smaller percentage or a higher pixel setting for tighter, smaller fonts. Once done, change the actual value. Choose a smaller scale percentage, for example 100% instead of 125%, because that directly reduces UI and font size. Alternatively, increase the display resolution, moving from 1920 x 1080 to 2560 x 1440 makes items smaller by packing more pixels per inch. Make sure to click Apply and use the preview. Many systems give 15 seconds to confirm. If text looks finish by fine-tuning apps where fonts still look off. Reduce browser zoom or change app-specific font sizes so text fits comfortably. Also run ClearType on Windows or check the Fonts panel on macOS to sharpen smaller text. This improves legibility after making fonts smaller. If icons or windows overlap, make sure you updated the graphics driver and, if necessary, revert the change quickly. One troubleshooting tip: if the display becomes unusable, wait for the auto-revert or press ESC to cancel and restore previous settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.